SOLAS Chapter IX, Simplified. SOLAS Chapter IX, titled Management for the Safe Operation of Ships, was introduced to enhance maritime safety through structured management practices. It consists of 6 regulations that outline the requirements for ship management and compliance with the International Safety Management (ISM) Code. The chapter emphasizes the need for a robust safety management system (SMS) to ensure safe operations and pollution prevention, applicable to various types of vessels including passenger ships and cargo ships over 500 gross tonnage engaged in international voyages. Regulation 2, Application. Regulation 2 specifies the types of ships that must comply with Chapter 9, including all passenger ships carrying more than 12 passengers and cargo ships or mobile offshore drilling units of 500 gross tonnage and above. This regulation ensures that a wide range of vessels adhere to safety management practices, thereby enhancing overall maritime safety standards. It underscores the universal applicability of the ISM code across various vessel types. Safety Management Requirements. Regulation 3 outlines the safety management requirements that companies must implement. It mandates the establishment of a safety management system, SMS, that includes policies for safety and environmental protection. The SMS must be documented and structured to allow effective implementation by company personnel. This regulation aims to foster a culture of safety within shipping organizations, ensuring that operational procedures prioritize safety at sea. Regulation 4, Certification. Regulation 4 addresses certification requirements for companies and ships. It mandates that companies must obtain a document of compliance, DOC, from an appropriate authority, demonstrating adherence to the ISM code. Ships must also be certified to operate under this framework, ensuring that they meet established safety management standards. This certification process is vital for verifying compliance and maintaining accountability within maritime operations. Regulation 5, Maintenance of Conditions. Regulation 5 emphasizes the importance of maintaining conditions as per the SMS and ensuring ongoing compliance with safety management practices. Companies are required to regularly review their safety management systems and make necessary adjustments to address any deficiencies. This proactive approach helps in identifying potential hazards and mitigating risks associated with ship operations, thereby enhancing overall maritime safety. Regulation 6, Verification and Control. Regulation 6 focuses on verification and control mechanisms to ensure compliance with the ISM code. It requires companies to establish procedures for monitoring their SMS's effectiveness and conducting regular audits. These audits help identify areas for improvement and ensure continuous adherence to safety standards. Effective verification processes are crucial for maintaining high levels of safety in ship operations, ultimately contributing to safer maritime environments. A separate video on details of ISM code will be uploaded shortly. Thank you for watching the video. For more marine topics, please subscribe CFIX channel. Please help us with your valuable feedback to improve the contents.